just a groundbreaking. Can't help it, government has to come in.
My fellow colleague, members of parliament, respected Tala Tala, the CEO for Mussoorie Town Council, Director, Local Government, the acting chairman of the Housing Authority Board, CEOs and SAs of respective municipalities, government officials, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. A very good evening and Bula Vinaka to you all. I am happy to be with you today on this occasion for the groundbreaking ceremony. This is another demonstration of government's achievement and continuing effort in upgrading the various municipalities around the country, because it is in the municipal areas where our citizens and people work, live and socialize. The rapid urban growth is a reality globally, with the World Health Organization estimating a 2/3 urban population globally by 2030. Ladies and gentlemen, for the purpose of urban capital projects, a special challenge fund scheme has been established, and for 2015, $3 million allocated with a specific purpose